if you need a restaurant website for your business, or you are someone who needs any website for his business, or you just admire seeing websites, then this video is for you. And so I created this restaurant website to show you my skills in developing website. So this is the home page, and like I'm sliding through carousels of products. It's a restaurant website, so I'm sliding through carousels of products. As we move forward, this is a news ticker. I wrote it with code. Like, so when you hover it stops, and when you remove the hover it continues. So let's go. If you click with more, it takes you to the about page. But this is the footer section of the website. So let's go to the about page and see what we have there. What I like about this site is the fact that it's very mobile responsive, and what I know about it is mobile responsive is the layout, the desktop layout sits well across mobile screens. In the sense, I didn't have to compromise much. Like most of the structure you see most of the layout structure you see on the desktop version is what you see in the layout in the mobile version. So as you can see, like what you can see here, actually most of what you see here is the same layout you see in the desktop version. Now, these are clients. When you click about us, it takes you. We have Instagram pictures of different people. Standard. I resized it. I ensured it was looking neat. They have to hide elements like that. I didn't have to restructure so many things. I restructured, but it didn't look like I compromised. In the sense, not many items were sitting disorganized. So let's go to our contact page. I call this the app store of all forms. Like I essentially created several kinds of forms that is applicable in any restaurant setting on this page. So what it says first is this enjoy platform contact forms, telling you that you are enjoying, like there are several contact forms you're about to meet here. And so I made it as a template for any restaurant site, whereby you can actually check for any forms and sign up for your specific needs. So this is get in touch with the restaurants, and yeah, I'm testing it. So write anything. So that's it. Wait, let's write. So you can see how responsive it is, how reactive the site is. It's not taking much time. It's not even taking time at all, and it's really cool. This is a book a table reservation form. It's actually useful when someone wants to book a table, when someone wants to reserve a table for some special moments. So this we have our opening hours here, telling when the restaurant opens and when they close. I made a mistake here. It was meant to be 7 a.m. instead of 7 p.m. So, except for special events, which you can sign up for here. So this is a special event form to sign up for upcoming special events. And this is the find the location button that when you click, it takes you to the location of each restaurant on Google Map. So we have a happy hour form to sign up for the happy hour event. We have also seasonal menu to sign up for the seasonal menu event. We have catering to sign up for the catering event. We have chef specials to sign up for chef special events. Dining doesn't need any form. It's just telling people, oh yeah, you can come and dine in at our restaurant. We also have the delivery form, and then we have curbside pickup, where they're going to deliver your product to your car. We also have order pickup. Another thing we can do is that we can go to each form by clicking each image. So when we click catering services, for example, or special event, for example, we go to this special event form. So when we click catering services, we go to the catering service form. And our next page we are going to is a blog here. We want to check our blog post. Yeah, and so we can see how polished this blog post is. You can see I actually like the way the thing is structured. It's easy to read. So now we can see this interface. I used food recipe plugin and I made this blog post to educate viewers on how to make certain food recipes. It's a restaurant website, so I don't want to be stingy only selling products. I decided to come up with this idea to provide viewers a recipe on how to make products, how to make food. So now it's the same thing for the next blog post, how to cook bakery. So that's it, and it's like that for all of that posts. So let's check our reviews page next, and the page is dedicated to showing customer reviews about that particular restaurant rather than the food they are selling. It's just this general review of the restaurant service. And when we see the hook, what our customers are saying, and the 3 animated text just entered. So, and the concept was to generate a hook for every page of the website. And if we've been following, we saw in the about page a neon glowing effect. In the home page, just a taste of this chicken to attract the viewers. Our next page is let's check our gallery page, and I really love this page because I invested more time in creativity for this page. Now we could see another hook again. When you enter this page, you first see this text, so you want to read it and you are engaged already. So I made this website to just show beautiful memories customers had when doing special event that the restaurant organized. So that was just the concept of this particular page, and I made everything from scratch in my head. You could see this couple. This is a couple having a good time in the reserve table. So for each image, there's the video. You see this taking table reservation. You could watch the video of how each customer had a wonderful table reservation experience. Now I think the network is really loading here. It's meant to be 4 images, but you could see this also glowing effect. You could see this glowing effect. I made that with custom CSS. So this running text. And so it shows customers having a good time when doing a party the restaurant organized. So this is those are performance shows the restaurant is organized, and these happy hour moments. And so if we actually check that, it has loaded finally. So if we check through, we'll see the concept that is just pictures of our memories. And this catering services. I made these designs also with Canva. And this is a call to action, telling them that if you want to sign up for this event, you can do now. So happy hour 2026 is now many. You can sign up for this event. And so that's it for the gallery page. Our next page is the footer section. Our next page is we should check the shop page. Check the shop page. So on the shop page is the art of the website. This is where customers come to buy products, and we also see the mobile view. It's very responsive. I think it's attractive to look at. Although the product might be a little bit clustered, but I think it provides this kind of engaging way to review each product. You can add each product to carts, no stress. Very good for your business because it will improve user experience. So customers can come and buy this product. Our next page will be the privacy policy. And this page is the laziest in the sense that minimal effort was used in creating it. It was almost automatically generated. I just did some little things. And so just to show people our do's and don'ts, what we set in our company and what we do not. That's it. Simply, that's it.